I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast.
Hello everyone, welcome here. Today is going to be a fall decorate with me for my outdoor space. I'm going to be decorating my flower boxes and my front porch. At the beginning of the video, I will be showing you where everything is from, and then I will be adding some music and just showing you how I decorate. So if you would like to see how I put everything together, then please continue to watch. Alright guys, I wanted to give you an overview of everything I will be using outside. I actually created a mood board that I posted on my Instagram, and I put actually a lot of these items on there. I put a mood board together so that whenever I went to the store, I was organized and I could see how everything would look together. So I will insert my mood board here and you can see how most of these items match that. So I'm really excited how this is all going to come together. Now over here, if you've seen my last video, I made these two lanterns. I actually made a third, but I think I'm just going to stick with these two, and I'm gonna probably put those by our door, our front door. I have this Hello Pumpkin doormat that I got from Hobby Lobby. It used to have an orange pumpkin on it and I painted it white. Currently, I just have my old Hello one there, so I'm gonna put that back out. And I just think that is so cute. Now over here is a really cute little wicker basket that I'm going to use to display some pumpkins. Some of these pumpkins are from my garden, and unfortunately I had so many pumpkins, but our pumpkins got taken over by these squash mites, so a lot of them didn't make it, which is fine. I still have enough to decorate with, I believe. Over here are these adorable, ugly gourds that my mother-in-law gave me. I'm so excited. She had all of these in her garden, so I just found some of her light gourds that I'm going to be decorating with. Over here are some eucalyptus stems that I picked up from Walmart. I needed some for one of my black vases that I want to put pumpkins in, so I picked up 4 of those. Over here I have a bunch of pumpkin stems. So these ones are from Hobby Lobby. They are kind of expensive. Let's see, how much does it say? $9.99. So yeah, I mean they're 40% off, but to get a bunch of these, it adds up pretty quick. So I do have a bag of them. I couldn't get too many, but these I just thought were perfect because they're large and they can stick right in my flower boxes. And I'm planning on putting some in my vases as well. So pretty much all in this bag is just an assortment of pumpkins with sticks, and most of them are all from Hobby Lobby. So here's some more that I'm going to be using. Some of these stems are from Walmart, like this. I'm going to be using those as fillers. Now I also mentioned this in my last video, but these little clips are from Dollar Tree, and it's super nice because they just clip right on. And I'm going to use them for my fall wreath, or to turn my wreath into a fall wreath. I'm just going to clip these white pumpkins on. I have a bunch of these, and some of them are in that bag. And I'm planning on clipping some onto my flower boxes as well. I have this little basket, and I thought I could put this $5 mum in there. I got this white mum from Walmart yesterday. Now over here I have a couple outdoor pillows. I got these pillowcases from Hobby Lobby, and it says always be thankful on the back side, but I think I'm just going to keep it simple and just use the plaid on this side. But these match really well with my outdoor mat, so I love that. I was planning on getting a plaid scarf as like a blanket. Well, I found this black one that I already had, and I'm going to lay it out to kind of look like a blanket. If I would have got a plaid one, I feel like that would have been too much anyways. So I think that's gonna look so nice together. Now over here, I just picked up one of these smaller straw bales that I'm going to be decorating with. I might actually use that as a stand for this big sign. So I really love this sign. I feel like for outside, it will look really nice because you can read it from the street. You can see what it says since it is so large. And as you can see here, we have black shutters, a black door, so the black and white just looks really nice for our front porch. Okay, so that sums up everything that I'm going to be decorating with. Please continue to watch if you would like to see how I put it all together.
Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know what it means to grow old.
So for this arrangement, I focused on putting the eucalyptus stems towards the front since the back wouldn't be seen anyways. I later noticed it looked a little bunched, which I ended up fixing.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back, while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
This is seriously the cheapest fall wreath. I love how this wreath is so neutral and matches my flower boxes and my hanging ferns, so I definitely wanted to keep it out. Adding these Dollar Tree clips was such a cute way to add a touch of fall.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end.
For our flower boxes, I wanted to keep all the greenery, so I just cut off the flowers of all of my geraniums. This was another cheap way to decorate my boxes, so I didn't have to buy a ton of picks to fill them out.
Now I know what it means to grow old.
I then just randomly placed a bunch of pumpkin picks and clips around the boxes.
The time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know.
I thought it was so cute how my son was watching me here. But don't worry, I wasn't just leaving the kids inside by themselves. My husband was off that day and he was watching them for me while I was decorating.
I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get.
For our other flower box, I just followed the same steps by removing the flowers and adding in white pumpkins.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back.
Okay, so that wraps up everything for my Fall Decorate With Me Part 3. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any more decorating videos from me in the future. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.
Yeah, it is just